Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how you can track your expenses, using a shell script. We're going to create the script using touch command. Touch, we will call it expense tracker. Touch expense tracker .sh. .sh stands for shell, so it's the bash shell, and we hit enter. Now we can edit the shell script using the nano command. Nano opens a text editor into our shell so that we can edit the script. So I'm going to nano into expense tracker.sh. And then we start off with the shebang. The exclamation mark and the hashtag is called a shebang, /bin/bash. So we are defining that this is going to be a shell script. The syntax for you write the read command. So you do the read -p as an option, and then we have a little description or a comment of what we are reading. So we do read -p, enter the date. Let's do enter the date. So that will, in a way where you do year, the day, so year, the date, and the month in this order. At the end of the script, we have to write the variable where this input will be stored into. So the variable we will use is date. Next, we do read -p. We take another input and we will call it so we have the date. Let's see the description. Enter the description. So what did you eat today? What did you eat today? And we will store this in a variable called description. Next we have read -p. Let's say, so we have the date, we have the description. We can track the category now. So we can do enter the category. So we have the description of what we purchased. We have the date when we made the purchase, and we have the category. So if we bought a coffee today, we can write down the beverages for the category, or food and beverages. You know, if we paid for gas in our car, we can write down that we paid for gas. So we have the date, description, category. We store category in a variable called category. Finally, we have read -p, enter, of course, the amount spent. And we save it in called amount. Now, what we want to do is we have a shell script. We are reading the input from the user, and now we want to append this information into an Excel file. I will show you guys. So we're gonna create a comment here. Hashtag is to make a comment. So this isn't part of our code. It's more just a comment to describe what we are doing next. So now we can say appending the information to a CSV file, or an Excel CSV file. So we can now, to append information, how we do that is we are going to echo. Echo in bash is essentially, so read is for input, echo is for output, to display what the data or information. So we're going to echo $date. This is how you call the variable above. Let's put them in quotations. Echo $date. Echo $date. We're going to put commas in between because we want the information to display in different rows. So we have $date, $description, and like I said before, in bash you have to put the $sign prior to the variable so that we are calling the variable. Otherwise we're going to echo and it's literally going to say description rather than the data that's stored in description, if that makes sense. $description, $category, we have $amount. Now we want to append this. Remember, if we echo this right now, it's just going to open in the shell. So we want to append this into an Excel file or CSV file. So how we do that is we put 2 greater than symbols so that this information from the shell is going to transfer to the CSV file. The CSV file, we will call it expenses.csv. We can call it expenses.csv. And then at the end of the shell, we can just describe expense added successfully. Let's see. I hope that was clear, and this is a great way to just track your expenses daily. See if it's like, it's a good way to just track where your money's going. At the end of the month or end of the week, you can see how much you're spending. Now to save file, we do Control O, enter to save it, and then Control X to exit. From there, we have to allow permissions to run the file. So see, you can do chmod 777, which allows it read, write, and execution permissions. And now we're gonna do /. Now to test it, we do / expense tracker. Okay, it's asking me enter the date. Today is 2023, October 23rd. Enter the description. What did you eat today? What did I eat today? Today I ate eggs in the morning. Today I paid for a coffee in the morning. Enter the category. We can write beverages. Enter the amount spent. I spent about $2.25 for a coffee. Expense added successfully. Now we can open expenses.csv. I can into expenses.csv. It gives me my results, and if I will go to my actual file, let's go to expenses.csv. It should be stored under users. Oh, oops, it's here. So expenses.csv. We can go to our file system and open it's under our documents. Under our home directory, we can go to our scripts and let's open the expenses. Yes. There we go. So our expenses are listed in the CSV file here. As you can see, coffee, beverages, $2.25. For testing purposes, let's try adding another item. So let's run it again. .expense tracker /. So today, let's add the date. Let's say tomorrow I eat a chicken wrap. Into the category food. Enter the amount spent. Let's say it's about $10. Expense that successfully. If I go back to my CSV file, as you can see, chicken wrap food is added, and it's a great way to track your expenses. And at the end of the month, you can see where your money is going and balance the books out. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I hope you guys have a great day. Please share this video, and I hope it benefits you in the long term. Thank you.